Harmony Enterprises, the solutions provider for the waste handling and recycling industry, presents the M72HD high-density vertical baler. The M72HD is the most productive 72-inch baler on the market. It's safe and easy to operate and meets all OSHA and ANSI standards. The M72HD is ideal for use in retail stores, big box stores, manufacturing facilities, industrial applications, recycling centers, and distribution centers. The M72HD has a fast 29-second cycle time, a hefty 7-inch cylinder, and a 20-horsepower motor that combine to produce over 92,360 pounds of force. The resulting dense cardboard bales are 40 by 72 inches and up to 40 inches, and weigh up to 1,300 pounds. The incredible efficiency of this high-density baler allows you to bale up to 2,000 pounds of cardboard per hour. The small 8 by 8 foot operating space allows it to be located exactly where it will benefit your business the most. The large feed opening means that your employees won't have to cut down boxes to place them in the chamber, saving your business both time and money. The M72HD has outstanding safety features, including tamper-proof fail-safe magnetic reed safety switches. The Programmable Logic Controller, PLC, shuts down the baler if any unsafe conditions are detected. Instead of having a separate electrical disconnect, the M72HD has a non-fused electrical disconnect in the electrical box. To protect employees during manual operation, operators must use both hands to control the baler. All moving parts, including the ejector system, are totally enclosed. The entire control panel is UL listed. Shipping this efficiently designed 7,250-pound powerhouse of a baler is easy and worry-free, as the M72HD can ship upright on trailers and be installed without ever requiring it to be tipped on its side. Other standard features of the M72HD include solid lower unloading door, heavy-duty box 6-inch I-beam upper stringers, reinforced floor and sidewalls for maximum ram pressure, 4-sided nylotron-guided platen for smooth, quiet operation, bale full indicator light for consistent bale height, unique hydraulic circuit for high-speed operation, 6 slots for tying bales, self-cleaning retractable bale dogs, built-in fork slots and skids for easy installation. Optional features for the M72HD include space-saving double-hinge door for tight installation areas, security keypad system. To operate, open the upper and lower doors and create a flat surface on the floor of the baler with a piece of cardboard. Close the lower door and fill the bale chamber with cardboard. Be sure to load the cardboard evenly across length and width of the chamber. Do not offload the cardboard into the baler. Close the top loading door and turn the 3-position switch to the auto setting. Press and hold the down button and auxiliary buttons for 3 seconds to start the baler. When the bale full light illuminates, indicating the baler is full, put the switch in the hand position and raise the platen far enough to lay a piece of cardboard on the top of the bale. Close the loading door. Turn the key to hand and lower the platen. When the platen stops going down, push the E-stop button and turn the switch to off. Open the top loading door and then the bottom unloading door. Use the Harmony cleanout rod that comes with the baler to remove any loose debris from the wire tying slots. Put the baling wire in from the front side. Guide the wire through the channels in the rear of the baler. Tie the wire through the provided loops and twist until tight. Make sure the upper and lower doors are completely open and place your pallet in front of the unloading door of the baler. At the back of the baler, connect the T-handle on the finger of the platen. Return to the front of the baler. Disengage the E-stop switch. Turn and hold the selector switch to hand and press the yellow up and auxiliary buttons. The platen will retract and tip the full bale out of the chamber. Remove the pallet with a forklift. Shut both doors and cycle the baler to cancel the T-handle ejector. Press E-stop and switch to off to clean out the baler. Be sure to clean out any debris from the floor of the baler. Paraffin wax should be applied if the bale does not eject smoothly. When you buy from Harmony Enterprises, you get more than just quality equipment at an affordable price. The enhanced value comes with our proven process, lowest total cost of ownership, and our true partnership approach. Every Harmony baler is backed by our world-class customer service department, extensive warranty, and preventative maintenance plans as part of our total recycling solution. We are proud to have achieved the highest international standards in quality, having been recertified as an ISO 9001:2015 company in 2016. Are you ready to put the most efficient 72-inch baler on the market to work for you? Call or contact Harmony Enterprises today.